Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the orientation tools in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. I'll open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one. So we have the data. So to say about the orientation tools, it is available under the home tab, in the alignment panel over here, this one. So this is the orientation. So if you click on this arrow, you will see the different options under that. So we'll try each of them. First of all, keep it in mind, to use any of the orientation options, you need to have taller cells. So what you have to do is just come to one of these borders here. I come to this border between 4 and 5 as I want to increase the height of these cells. Got it? So I click and drag here using the left mouse button. So now we have taller cells. Got it? Now select these cells here and come to this arrow in orientation and click on it, and you'll see these options. We'll try the first one, that is angle counterclockwise. Can you see how they behave? To see them properly, we need to have even taller cell size. So what I'll do is I'll drag it even further. Can you see? Got it, right? So select them again. Now we'll try the second one. So come to this arrow and click on the second option, that is angle clockwise. You can understand the difference, right? So select these cells again and come to this arrow. We'll try vertical text. You can see that we need taller row size. Just drag it. Okay. Now select them again. Come to this arrow. Rotate text down. I hope you understand the different ideas here. Just for the visualization purpose, nothing else. So to go back to normal, what you have to do is select the cells, come to this arrow and click on which is active. So now the one that is active is the last one, rotate text down. You can see it here, it is highlighted using the green color border here. So click on it again. The text are now like before, like how it was. Now we have to decrease the cell size or the cell height. So what you do is click and drag it. So we are back to normal. So this is how you can make use of the orientation tools in Microsoft Excel. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.